Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can allow anyone with the link can access and also fill in the Google Forms. So here I have already opened a Google Forms that I made, and if you want to allow anyone with this Google Form links to fill in this form, you can just go to the settings, the form settings in here, and then scroll down until you find the setting for the responses. Click on the arrow down here, and what you need to do next is just turn off these two settings, the collect email address and also the require sign in or limit to one response in here. Okay, so you need to turn this off like this, and after that you can just go to send and click on the link icon here. Then you can just share this Google Form links, and after that everyone can access and also fill in the Google Form. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.